1 liter of water. These are the ingredients for both veggie broth. This is dried kelp, spring onion, napa cabbage, and dried steak mushroom. And this one is dried courgette. This part of spring onion, the white part, is gray sauce broth. As I know, my mom always tells me that. So yeah, we're gonna put this into the water and then boil it for a while. So turn up the heat. And then spring onion, another one. What is 조선 soy sauce?
소금하고 물하고 콩만 들어간 거야.
Salt, water, just beans. Okay, so traditional.
발효를 시켜.
Without any like other chemicals. 3 grams of salt, 5 grams of minced garlic, 4 grams of chili powder, 고춧가루. This is oyster mushrooms, water, parsley. In Korean, it's minari. It's kind of herb. Minari. My mom insists it's kind of similar to rosemary, but I think it's more like parsley. Got to put green chili. It's called 청양고추. It's very spicy. Not as much as like vitamin. She already put soy sauce. I wanted to take video, but in Korean it's kalguksu. Yep. Sometimes you need to stir because of the noodles. So this is minari. I guess it's done.